Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and study well at your home. Students, in previous video we started our lesson number 10, auxiliary verbs, and we have learnt about there are two types of auxiliary verbs and modal verbs. Now today we will do the examples of modals. Now first one is can. Can is used to talk about ability and possibility, to ask for and give permission and to make request and offers. कैन का यूज़ हम जब हम किसी के एबिलिटी या पॉसिबिलिटी को बताने के लिए करते हैं वहाँ पर हम कैन का यूज़ करते हैं, या किसी को कोई परमिशन देनी है या लेनी है उसके लिए, रिक्वेस्ट या ऑफर के लिए. देयर आर सम एग्जाम्पल्स like I can swim, this one is ability. He can win the match, possibility. Can you turn the volume down, request. And can I help you to carry those heavy bags, offer. Second is cannot, we also call it can't. Shows inability and refuse permission. जब हम किसी परमिशन को या इनएबिलिटी को शो करते हैं, परमिशन को रिफ्यूज़ करते हैं, वहाँ पर हम कांट का यूज़ करते हैं. लाइक आई कांट ड्राइव. कैन आई गो टू वॉच अ मूवी मदर? नो यू कांट. दिस वन इज एन इनएबिलिटी and here is refuse permission. Next is may. May is used to talk about possibility, informal expression of wishes and hopes, and to ask for and give formal permission. मे का यूज़ हम जब कहीं पर कोई पॉसिबिलिटी की बात करते हैं, फॉर्मल एक्सप्रेशंस जो होते हैं, विशेज़ होती है, होप्स होती है, या कहीं पर हम फॉर्मल परमिशन देने या लेने के लिए जब बात करते हैं, सेंटेंस बनाते हैं, वेयर वी यूज़ मे. हियर एग्जाम्पल्स आर इट मे रेन दिस आफ्टरनून, दिस वन इज पॉसिबिलिटी. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू, विश. May I play carom, mother? Permission. Here the second form of may is might, is used to ask for and give permission and express less probability. Example, might का यूज़ हम जब कहीं परमिशन लेने या देने के लिए करते हैं, या probability यूज़ करने के लिए, बताने के लिए. I wonder if I might borrow your car. This one is permission. This sentence is for ask the permission. He might be in the garden. This one is less possibility. Now the next model is could, the second form of can. Could is a politer form of can and is used to ask for permission, may request and offers, and could is also used to indicate ability that existed in the past and express less possibility. जो मैंने पहले बताया कि जो could होता है वो can का सेकेंड फॉर्म होता है. उसको हम यूज़ करते हैं परमिशन के लिए, रिक्वेस्ट या ऑफर्स के लिए. could जो होता है वो इंडिकेट करता है एबिलिटी जो हमारे एग्जिस्ट होती है पास्ट में, लेकिन लेस पॉसिबिलिटी एक्सप्रेस करती है. In my younger days, I could run 5 kilometers as a stretch. This is past ability. It could rain this evening. This one is less possible. Could I speak to your mother, please? This one is permission. And could you help me with my homework request? So I hope students, all of you have to understood the examples of models can, cannot, may, might and could. Next is must, indicates that it is necessary or very important that something happens. Must जो है वो इंडिकेट करता है कि जो चीज़ बहुत ज़रूरी थी या बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट थी वो हुई है कि नहीं. लाइक आई मस्ट गेट माई हेयर कट, वी मस्ट रिपेयर द रूफ. मस्ट नॉट इज यूज टू फॉरबिड, इट इज़ स्ट्रोंगर देन मे नॉट. मस्ट नॉट जो होता है वो मे नॉट से ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्गर होता है. लाइक स्टूडेंट्स मस्ट नॉट प्ले इन द कार पार्किंग एरिया. यहाँ आपको फॉरबिड जो चीज़ें हैं वो कर बताई जाएगी. वी मस्ट नॉट टेल अ लाई, जो हमें नहीं करना चाहिए. नाउ विल इज यूज्ड टू एक्सप्रेस फ्यूचर इवेंट्स. विल जो होता है वो फ्यूचर इवेंट्स को एक्सप्रेस करता है, विलिंगनेस को, प्रॉमिस को, या हमने किसी से अगर कुछ बात कही है करने के लिए, एंड आस्क समवन टू डू समथिंग, there we use will. Like example, Annie will be 10 years old next month. This one is future event. I will come with you. Willingness. I will do whatever I can to help you. This one is promise. Will you lend me some money? Asking. Will you be quiet? This one is an order. Now the next is would. Would is used as the past tense of will to express past habits, willingness and determination. In imaginary situations, repeated actions and in polite requests and offers. Would जो होता है वो past tense होता है will का. ये express करता है पुरानी habits को, willingness को, determination को. Imaginary situations, repeated actions या polite request offers को. Like she said that she would not live there anymore. This one is past tense. Next is shall. Shall is used to show the strong possibility during monsoon. Possibility or near certainty of an action or event which is to take place in future. Future में जो होने वाला है उसकी certain possibility, जो strong possibility होता है उसके बारे में जो बताता है. Like don't worry, I shall be there to help you. This one is future certainty. Shall I drop you at the station? This one is suggestion. You shall go at once. This one is command. Should is the equivalent of shall in indirect speech. Indirect speech में जो should होता है वो shall का equivalent होता है. Like you should tell the truth. If you are not feeling well, you should consult a doctor. Like that we have to use shall, should. Next is out to. Now out to express duty, necessity, desirability and similar ideas. It is often used to advise people to tell them that they have a duty to do something. Like you ought to attend school regularly, this one is your duty. We ought to help the needy, this is our moral obligation. We ought to buy some furniture, necessity. And it is 10 o'clock, he ought to return home, obligation. So students, I hope all of you have to understood all these examples of models and make sentence of each model and practice it.